Hi friends, previously we have seen how to buy the domain hosting packages and the SSL certificate which are mandatory to run a successful website. Now in this video we will see in detail how to connect the domain to the SSL certificate and then to the hosting account. This three has to be set up to make sure that the website is running perfectly. So we will log into the account where we have purchased these three um, things. You can see here, once we logged in, you can see the website, and there is a notice. We have bought hosting for just 30 days, so there is a notice. Now you will go to the my account on the top right. There you will click on my products. When you click on my products, it will show all the products which you have purchased. So the first thing, we have got the domain which we have purchased, then we have the web hosting, then we have the SSL certificate. Now we are going to integrate these three things. So the first thing is we will set up SSL certificate. We will connect SSL certificate to the website. So we will just click on setup, and then we click on new certificate, continue. First we need to choose the domain. We have only one domain, so we will select the domain and continue. So we have the private key and CSR. These two may be required if there is any issue with SSL certificate, so we will save these two files. So after saving the files, we will click on continue. So we will select GoDaddy SH2 certificate and click on I agree to terms and conditions, continue. Now the SSL certificate is set up. It shows pending verification, but it takes few minutes to get approved and it will be active. Nothing to worry about that. Since we have bought the certificates just now, it takes some time to reflect. So now we go back to the hosting account. Now SSL is done. So we'll set up the hosting, click on setup. Since we have bought the packages just now, it takes some time to open and there may be some glitches initially, but once we do the setup, everything will be perfect. So this is common, nothing to worry about all these things. So here we just refresh the page. Now, so we are going to build a new website. Select building a new website. What domain do you want to use? So we have only one domain. We will connect this domain to hosting account. So the data is Asia. Create WordPress website. No, we will be creating it later. So not now, thanks. So now it will take few minutes to provision the account. The videos created by us are very easy to understand and implement. However, for new users, it may take a bit to understand. So if you have any queries, you can ask us in the comment section. We will be happy to help you. And most of the time, if these are the basic websites, you can do everything by yourself. And even if you can't do by yourself, you know the process. You can, you can use this process so that your developers don't fool you around. uh, so our videos are easy to understand. So if it's a basic website, you can develop it by yourself. or you can also hand it over to us if it's a complex one. We will do the total setup and also maintenance. And we have tried to make videos to the point so that you don't waste your time and utilize the resources in building something very profitable for your business. Because of lack of knowledge, usually what happens, we waste a lot of time. So these videos help you to move the work quickly. At any point of time, if there are any issues, you can solve them by yourself, or you can take our support or any expert support. So it takes a few minutes to set up the account. So we'll just refresh and we will log in back again. This is normal for new accounts. So once the account is set up, you won't get this kind of problems. So we'll check if the hosting is set up. Page not found. So we'll go to my account. So whenever you want to access my account, you can go to the top right on click and click on my products. So all your products will show up. Then you will go to the web hosting and click on manage. So when you click on manage, our web hosting is ready here. You can see the domain. When you click on manage, your cPanel dashboard will open. First your account will open. So whenever you want to go to my hosting, you can go to account, my products, then go to web hosting, click on manage, then your account will open where you have the username, IP address. Uh, for one website, IP address is not necessary, but when you are using multiple websites or you are hosting website from other service providers, then your IP address plays crucial role, and we will see that later. Here you will click on cPanel admin. So now the actual dashboard opens. This is where you play, you install the website, you create emails and everything. Here you have the file manager where you can access all the files on your server. We'll go to public HTML. Here you have the part files, you can delete them. We will delete and we will create a new file, index.html. Before that, you can check the website. It has a free packed design. The files which we have seen just before, they are related to this thing. So we will delete those files and install and create a new file, index.html. So whatever you do here, it reflects on the home side from now on. So you create index.html. You can write some code or some text. So we'll just start with like welcome to learn website skills. And we will save the file. So when we see the front end, this text will start reflecting. So we will refresh. Okay. So sometimes it takes few minutes uh, to show the text because just now we have created the account and it takes DNS settings to upgrade. Sometimes it happens in 5 minutes, sometimes in 30 minutes, or sometimes in 1 hour. So we'll go back.